everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a haul video, or we went to shopping like a week ago, or I have been sick. If you follow me on Instagram, I always say that, so sorry if this is annoying for you, but मैंने Instagram पे बताया था कि I wasn't feeling well, so मैंने अभी तक ना haul नहीं किया था. Finally after a week and more, I think I'm filming a huge haul. इस शॉपिंग बैग्स में मेरी भी चीज़ें हैं और हसान की भी चीज़ें हैं. सो आई थॉट सिंस I am going to film a haul, why shouldn't I show what Hassan got as well. Also, all of this and our shopping trip was sponsored by my parents. हमारी wedding anniversary आ रही है, so they thought that instead of they buying something for us, they said that you can go and shop whatever you want, and that's what we did. We got a lot of stuff. Still, I didn't get a very important thing, which I will get the next time जब हम शायद और करेंगे, because we didn't have time to buy that. So अभी उनकी तरफ से एक part of जो gift है या shopping का part है वो भी रहता है. So without any further blabbering and stuff, let's get into it. सबसे पहले मुझे हाथ में आया है no matter if you're going out for shopping और आप वैसे ही निकले, you always end up buying something from this. मेरे साथ भी होता है. Okay, I got these makeup removal towels. First of all, pink थे तो I had to get these, and I think वो वाले removal towels हैं that you just have to wet these a little and then you can wipe off your makeup with it. I will let you guys know how this work out for me. So yes. And then I got this very cute hand sanitizer. It's like so cute, you can hang it with your bag, and it was like really affordable. This was for $249 और ये $249 के दो थे. So one I gave to my amma so that she can keep in her bag, और इसके अंदर ये accessorize का निकला है carry bag. Okay, so accessorize से I got these very cute earrings. They were on sale, so I got these. How cute are these guys? It will go with everything. Or originally $1650 के थे. I got it for $500, so that's why I got it. Let's get next now. Okay. So since अभी मैंने आपको जूडी accessories दिखाई, I got something from Next. And the moment I saw this, I was like, I have to get this. It's like so cute. Just look at this, guys. Unicorn pendant. How cute is this? Like so delicate, and it has like a little stone hanging as well. This was for $1350. Then from Next I got something which is so not my style, but I loved it. This is a windbreaker jacket, and I was absolutely in love with this the moment I tried this. How cute is this, guys? It looks so good on, and I can't wait to wear this. And you know what, जब मैंने लिया, this was for 8,610 rupees. And the moment I got this, I was like, Hassan, I'm going to wear this so much because I know कि ये सेल भी होने वाली है और बाद में मुझे रिग्रेट होगा कि मैंने क्यों उस पर इतने पैसे खर्च दिए. But I love it. It's like so cute, and surprisingly मेरे पास आज तक कोई windbreaker jacket नहीं थी. So I was so I'm like really happy I got this. So there's that. This has to be my favorite purchase. Like, I love it. So there's that. Then from Levi's, this is something what Hassan got, और ये और अहमद ने हसान को लेके दिया. It's like a denim jacket from Levi's. Hassan has hundreds of denim jackets, but let me show you. Look at this. How cool is this? We absolutely fell in love with this the moment we saw this. This is like so us, and the good part about getting or buying stuff for Hassan is that कि मैं भी पहन सकती हूँ. So I love shopping for Hassan. Whereas Hassan को ये फ़ायदा नहीं है, but I can't wait to wear this as well. Sorry, I think this was for 5,000 something. So there is that. और originally ये ज़्यादा expensive थी, but I don't know कितना off था, but this was for 5,000 something. Outfitters, I got a lot of stuff. Okay. I wanted to get this sweater from Outfitters. Just pay everybody, literally everybody was like, no Zainab, don't buy this, because they didn't like it. But guess what? I ended up buying it. There is a sweater and you guys have to be honest, let me know. इस स्वेटर को देख के what is the first thing that comes to your mind? इसको देख के नहीं लग रहा था this is like Nemo? It's like so cute. I don't know why कि ना हसान को अच्छा लगा ना उर्वा को, किसी को भी ये स्वेटर पसंद नहीं था. But I was like this is Nemo and I want to get this. So I ended up buying this and this actually looks really nice. मैंने ट्राई किया था जब, तो फिर हसान ने कहा ओके ठीक है, now this looks okay so you can buy this. And why do I keep forgetting to tell you the prices? सॉरी अगर कैमरे का एंगल थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है. दिस वॉज फॉर 2690 रुपीज़, मतलब कि 2700, एंड दिस फील सुपर सॉफ्ट, सो आई एम हैप्पी आई गॉट दिस. देन फ्रॉम आउटफिटर्स सन गॉट दिस स्कार्फ. दिस वॉज फॉर 1290, मीन्स 1300. दिस इज लाइक सुपर सॉफ्ट एंड आई लव इट. It's grey, it's everything that we like. अगर आपको scarf वगैरह पसंद है and you like accessorizing your outfit, so I think this is like really good. Plus the moment I touched it I was like this is exactly what you can find in Mango, और Mango पे आपको इस तरह का मिलेगा like 5-6 thousand का, and this was for 1300. So I was like Hassan, buy it anyway. Then Hassan got this shirt. हसान के पास ऐसी इतनी शर्ट्स हैं that I can't tell you, but it's like really nice, feels so good as well. Outfitters के पास काफ़ी अच्छे कपड़े थे. We usually don't buy stuff from Outfitters, and this was for 2490, me 2500. अलमास से मैंने लिए थे ट्राउजर्स एंड मैंने इनको एक पहन लिया है. वेरी सिंपल ट्राउजर्स. मैंने इसी अपर के साथ, इसी हुड के साथ मैंने कल ये पहने थे एंड दे लुक रियली नाइस. बाय द वे आई गॉट द साइज़ लार्ज, क्योंकि जब मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज, मैंने जब मीडियम ट्राई किया तो मुझे थोड़ा टाइट था, और ये एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज है, और इसमें और मीडियम में कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. एंड दिस वाज लाइक सुपर अफोर्डेबल गाइस. दिस इज़ फॉर 1500 एंड इट लुक्स सो गुड. मैंने इस तरह से कुछ लिया है कि नहीं किया? लिया है. I remember I got something. Hassan got this sweatshirt. I love the color. I don't know why मुझे हसान को आजकल bold colors, yellows and stuff like that बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, this was for 2490 and it feels good. पता नहीं मुझे कितना feels good बोला होगा. And what did I get? Okay, I got these really cute earrings. और Hassan was like कि out of all the things you bought, he absolutely loved these. Look at these, how cute are these? Focus. It's like so cute and ये बहुत affordable थे. I didn't know ये 50% off पे थे, तो ये थे for 400. It was a really good deal. Levi's से और क्या ले? Oh, I got something from Levi's. So I bought trousers Levi's से. ये थोड़े expensive हैं. These were on sale. तो ये मुझे पड़े हैं सेल के ऊपर 400 that can't be right, 4492 rupees. I know that's like a lot for a trouser, but मुझे एक बहुत comfortable और बहुत अच्छे से trousers चाहिए थे. I went to Nike, I went to Adidas, लेकिन मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, so I ended up buying these. चलिए plain simple trousers और इनके ऊपर इधर it's written Levi's. सर्दियों की एक बात बहुत अच्छी होती है दैट यू कैन बी कंफर्टेबल एंड यू कैन बी ट्रेंडी एट द सेम टाइम. सो दैट इज़ वाई वाज लाइक मैं ले ही रही हूँ ट्राउज़र को. मैंने 1500 तो ले लिया था बिकॉज था अगर मुझे कुछ ना मिले, बट आई वाज लाइक कि अगर मुझे आई नो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दिस अ लॉट, तो व्हाई नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन लाइक अ गुड कंफर्टेबल एंड गुड क्वालिटी ट्राउज़र. एंड दिस इज लाइक रियली नाइस. ये मुझे सुबह में लेके दिए हैं. सुबह वॉज वेयरिंग दीज एंड आई वाज लाइक आई वांट देम, दे लुक रियली नाइस. और इस तरह के मैंने देखे थे ऑल्डो पे जो कि 10,000 के थे. एंड दीज एंड इस तरह के जूते will go with everything, like literally everything, whether you're wearing jeans, whether you're wearing a dress. So yeah, आजकल they are very much in trend. And got this for 3490. एक ही बैग है वो हसान की है. उफ, ये हॉल देखने के बाद गेट टू नो हाउ मच हसान इज ऑब्सेस्ड विद जैकेट्स. सो डॉकर से हसान गॉट दिस जैकेट. इंसान को बहुत चीज़ें पसंद हैं जिनके इस तरह के वर्किंग जैसे लाइक जो टेडी बेयर कोट होते हैं ना, उस तरह का जिनका कॉलर होता है एंड डिटेलिंग होती है, तो ही रियली लाइक्स दैट एंड ही गॉट दिस जैकेट. दिस वाज आल्सो ऑन सेल. तो दिस वाज फॉर आई डोंट नो सेल का इसकी क्या प्राइस है, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक हम इतने के लिए. इसकी प्राइस लिखी हुई है यहाँ पे 8,000, बट आई थिंक इफ आई एम राइट कि वी गॉट दिस 6,000 or 5,000. So yes. So yes, also let me know what kind of things you buy when you go out for winter shopping. और अभी तो आपने देखा है we are all about being comfortable. Okay, so that's it for my haul. Sorry if I don't look presentable, but I was like, I'm showing you my stuff. Who cares how I look? So yes, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And I love you guys. And I say and a lot. My last vlog में जो intro था उससे you'll get to know that how much I say and so ignore the gun. अब बैग्स हट गए तो गन नजर आ रहा है. But yes, मैंने कह दिया दोबारा से कह देते. It's okay. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. I will see you guys inshallah in my next vlog or in my next video. Allah Hafiz.